Kia ora. Welcome to your very own True False Speed Challenge. The rules are simple. Write T for true. Write F for false. Test your buzzers, everyone. Are you ready? Here goes.
Bird of the Year True False Challenge. Questions. 1. The Bird of the Year competition is run by Forest and Bird. 2. The Bird of the Year competition is run every year and the one that gets the most votes is the winner. 3. The competition is held because Forest and Bird want people to know about our native birds. 4. The competition is about all of the birds that live in New Zealand. 5. The biggest danger to New Zealand birds is predators that kill the birds and eat their eggs. Answers. True, 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 false, true.
See y'all at the next True False Speed Challenge.